Okay, from Great Taste of Las Vegas, we're gonna do roast pork. Okay, these are pork belly that with the skin on. I boil them first, then I will roast them in a pan, okay? So I put in salt, this is to clean that. And I also put in some vinegar. So some white vinegar, so I'm gonna put in about half cup. They're gonna help clean the pork. And I let it boil high. And I also put in some flour to clean it as well, so that much, about half cup. And I add a little bit of water to it, cold water, and put it in like that. And turn it around because the water doesn't touch. It needs to cover it so it will cook good. Boil for 15 minutes with no lid, medium heat. After it boils, turn it down to medium heat. And then keep turning around, every 5 minutes, turn it around so it cooks both sides good, okay? This is a part where you clean all of the stuff out and you don't have to wash it with all of these. Okay, so get a dry pan and put it, some napkin over here to absorb the liquid, okay? Hold it too so you don't drop it. So roll it around to just clean more. So get some more towel, just a napkin, just put on it. And then we're gonna make a solution to brush on these. We're gonna make it 50-50. For that much, we're gonna put in about tablespoon of salt. And then we put another tablespoon of vinegar, white vinegar. So we brush it on the skin part. I think I did this piece, put it over here. Now we have 2 more pieces over here. We only need to brush the skin, not the meat. So now we're gonna bring this here. We cook it dry like that. You put this one here to help the splash. You also get a piece of parchment paper. It helps slashing, yeah? It's on high right now, so we put it to medium high. We cook it for about 15 minutes again, just to make sure to the design that you like for how crispy that is for your pork skin and everything. Get a dry lid like this. I just washed that. Get it, let it dry and then put it on. So it's about half time now. We're gonna open and see how it cooks. So be careful, it's gonna flashing, okay? It's cooked somewhat. So just put it over here and then turn it over. You see the skin look pretty good. And then turn on the other side. Turn on like that for the skin to cook. And let it cook for another 8 more minutes. It cooked already, but we want the crispy skin, right? Okay, while waiting for the pork to cook, we make the sauce for the pork. 2 of this brown sugar, 2 tablespoons. And then add a little bit of water. Then you microwave it for 30 seconds. So it's done. So all we do is put oyster sauce, about 2 tablespoons of this oyster sauce, and then a dark soy sauce, tablespoon, to design look, so that look pretty good now. I'm gonna add just 2 tablespoons, two of each, right? 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 2 of that. I'm going to add in 1 apple cider vinegar. And then you can taste it. That's a sauce for this. And then you can squeeze some lemon on it too. Okay, that's it. That's a sauce for the roast pork. So it's about 16 minutes now, right? So get your tongue ready. We're going to open it. Go slow because it might be flashing. Just turn around until everything turns color like that. Turn to your desired crispiness, right? And brown. You put everything back. I think I go for another 6 minutes on this, and then we'll be done. It's perfectly cooked now. I think we'll just turn everything off. Whoa, wow. Look at that. Take this paper away. a bowl of rice. There's a sauce there. You can serve as much as you like. So that is our roast pork with rice, steamed rice, and pickled carrots with special roast pork sauce. See you in the next segment.